Today I'm going to show you how to add audio in VLC Media Player using a simple built-in feature that lets you play a video with an external audio track. This is really useful if your video has no sound, if you want to replace the original audio, or if you just want to sync a different soundtrack with your clip. The best part is that you can do it without any complicated editing software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu and click Media. From the drop-down menu, choose Open Multiple Files. This is the option that lets you load more than one file at the same time, which is exactly what we need for combining a video with an extra audio track. Now a new window will appear. In the File tab, click the Add button. This will let you browse through your computer and select the video file you want to use. Find your video, click it once, and then choose Open. At this point, the video is now loaded into VLC, but we still need to attach the audio file. Before moving on, make sure you check Show More Options. This is an important step because it reveals additional settings that are not visible by default. Once you enable that, you should see the option called Play Another Media Synchronously. Go ahead and select that option. This tells VLC that you want to play another file alongside the video at the same time. After selecting that option, you will notice a Browse button next to Extra Media. Click Browse and then choose the audio file you want to add. This can be a music track, voice recording, or any compatible audio file you want to play with the video. Once you find the audio file, select it and click Open. Now that both files are loaded, all that's left to do is click Play. VLC will start playing your video together with the external audio track. If everything is set up correctly, you should hear the new audio while the video runs in the player. If the audio and video do not line up perfectly, you may need to try a different audio file or adjust the timing slightly outside of VLC. But for most quick uses, this method works great for syncing a separate soundtrack to a video without editing the actual file. And that's how you add audio in VLC Media Player using the Open Multiple Files option. It's fast, simple, and very handy when you need to pair a video with another audio track. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.